Alright, so I just ordered this hookah from Amazon, and we're gonna put it together and see how it works. I love how everything's already, you know, very nice and neat and together. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna do a quick review on Voov Acrylic Hookah from Amazon. Just some quick facts. When I purchased this, it was about $45, and yeah, and they said it was gonna be rust free, so that is my big thing. So I wanted a hookah that was gonna be rust free, because my last hookah that I purchased and other friends' hookahs, I know they have gotten rusty, and it's like, sweetie, we're not about to get tetanus, you know, trying to just smoke some hookah. So everything came in this cute little case that I really like. So you can go anywhere, go to the beach, bring it to your homegirl house, all that good stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna put it together real quick and let's see how it goes. Ooh, I like that. Here's some instructions. All right, so everything comes on these instructions. Everything comes on these instructions. Oh yeah, this is the one. This is super smooth. I love this. And so now I don't have to worry about it rusting. I will definitely do an update on this and see how it hangs out and it doesn't rust. I really love this, that it's not that ceramic bowl that can break easily. It's like a little metal like windshield that they call it, but the charcoals go right inside there. They're staying warm. I don't have to put no aluminum foil or none of that extra stuff up in there. And yeah, I'm in love with this hookah. I would definitely recommend, you know, 10 out of 10. And it's acrylic, okay? You don't have to worry about nobody knocking it over or it falling. Oops. The only thing you probably would have to worry about is this daggone hose popping out. But that's the only thing I don't like. I wish with everything else, it like fits into a place where it's like gripped and tight and you screw everything else in there. That's the only thing that that I love. I wish this would have had like a screw part on there. But other than that, this is perfect. It hits super smooth. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks, girl. Thanks, guys. Bye.